Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. And today, what we're going to be doing is a quick caricature of Phoebe from Friends. So for this drawing, guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started with our basic head shape. I am using a Crayola marker to do this drawing with. So if that's the only thing that you have access to, it will be sufficient, as your drawing is still going to come out super awesome. And not to mention, it won't cost you $100 to get a marker. I don't believe in spending a lot of money on markers. That's, I feel like it's always the artist and never the tool. So anyway, guys, what I try to do to get the drawing down, I try to do the drawing down as quickly as possible by doing a shape of the person first. Okay, and now maybe I'll do most of my exaggerations within that shape, and then what I'll do is I'll make my 5 basic shapes fit within that one shape. So it's a pretty straightforward approach, and it's also just relatively easy. All right, so we're almost done here with our head shape. Just remember to while you're drawing, just to relax and let the drawing flow. Okay, there's a point in drawing that you can get to that it goes beyond the guidelines and measuring things and all that stuff like that, and it goes to a point where it can become almost like a second nature. I don't know what you do for a living, or if you're a young person, what thing that you like to do all the time. Maybe you're a video gamer, which brings to mind my nephew. We were sitting up one day playing a game of, I want to say we were playing Modern Warfare, and it seemed like he could just get he could do all kinds of amazing stuff. He could, because the game is like you had to kill other soldiers, and it almost seemed like he was a professional. Like he could just walk on the wall, and while he's walking on walls, he's shooting at people, and then he's ducking bullets as they're coming toward him, and all this stuff. And I looked at him and I says, "Man, how did you do all that? How do you know?" And he says, "Well, I play this game a lot." And so I use that analogy to show you that in order to get good at this, the basis of it is that you just kind of have to do it a lot. Like me, I draw pretty much every day. It's not a day that goes by if I'm not drawing a serious picture that I'm doodling on a piece of paper, or even if I'm not doodling, I'm going, maybe if I'm out at a store or I'm out somewhere, I'll appreciate the artistry that's around me, the color of a car, the shape of somebody's nose. I'm always watching people. I just don't make it obvious. Don't make it obvious. But yeah, I just kind of live the life of an artist, and it's fun. I've been doing caricature for probably about 10 years now. I have a drawing background, though. I'm almost 50 years old, man. 47. That's very close to 50. I can't believe it. I was actually getting out the car the other day, and I was saying, how the heck did I get this old already, So when I look in the mirror, I don't know. I see it, but I guess I don't at the same time, because I surround myself with people that want to live and that have a young spirit. Even if they're not young in spirit, they're actually young. So because my nieces and nephews and stuff, I'm always doing stuff with them, teaching them how to draw, talking about, their concerns, and I spend a lot of my time trying to show them about life, and I teach them about life through art, and that is our ministry. this drawing channel me and my wife started. We just started it as a ministry to be able to, like I said, just teach young people and old about the awesomeness of God, but at the same time using art, using the skill that we were given or the blessing that we were given, to kind of put the message through. So anyway, with that being said, I done talked you to death, right? Well, I'm getting close to the end of my drawing here. I think that it came out pretty awesome. Some of the drawings I've done the whole cast of Friends, so you might want to check the rest of those out too. But some of them I had a little bit of trouble with, and I had to do the drawings over and over and over again until, I don't know, this morning I woke up and I could see clearly now. So some days you're going to try to draw a face and it's not going to come out right, no matter what you do, right? So guys, I'm going to go ahead and start closing out. I'm just putting in my last little details here. I want to take this time to thank you for watching this video / tutorial. I know I didn't really instruct much on this one, but most of learning is watching. It's not me sitting here hammering an idea in your head by talking to you. If I felt like there was something that you needed to actually know, I would tell you that, but all you have to do is just kind of look at what I'm doing and copy me. And then eventually from doing that, you're going to get better and better until your own style will spawn from that. So guys, thanks a lot for watching once again, and we'll be seeing you in our next little video tutorial. It's been a blast. Be cool, my friend.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.